At first glance, the project looked like it was a nah. Sorry, I'm walking.
They're reaching business. Sorry, Treasure. This is going to be like a blooper reel where I'm like, save them all, please.
So now that I've gone over the adhesion test. No. I'm drawing blank, man.
FAST stands for Fluid Applied System Techniques. We created this interactive training program to provide commercial roofing professionals with a hands-on, interactive, comprehensive, and I don't know what else the words.
You just added interactive, otherwise you'd have had it.
We recommend doing this at about 3 to 4 different spots along the roof due to the fact that some coatings need just a little more time to fully cure and adhere to the substrate, whereas 24 hours may not be enough. I hate stumbling on my words, man.
Sorry, boy.
Hi, I'm Kristen Dixon, Director of the Business Development Center at American WeatherStar. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our lead generation marketing programs we provide for our platinum approved contractors.
Hi everyone, welcome to FAST.
For everything that I've done.
No!
Once everybody gets tired of hearing me flap my jaw, we're gonna move outside where Stephen Forte, a platinum approved contractor here at American WeatherStar, will go over the use. 3, 2, 1.
That's
With
perfect,
American-
keep that.
Hi, I'm Katie Lott, Operations Manager with American WeatherStar.
And I'm Scott Gale, National Sales Manager.
We'd like to take this opportunity
He invites you to get drunk.
Please stop staring at me, Sean. With your hand on your chin, it's so cute, but I can't.
Come to your head, come to your left just a hair.
Left?
Your left, yeah, right. Back a hair. No, towards, I meant
Towards
back
you.
where you came,
Oh.
sorry. Okay, that's good.
For demonstration today, we're going to perform an adhesion test using 2 products of ours. First one is a silicone product, which we know should adhere fully to silicone top coat. Our other product is acrylic 211, which we should know. Nope, I don't want to do Martha Stewart.
Within our marketing campaigns, we develop specific marketing pieces for your company. Okay. With our marketing campaigns, you will receive specific marketing pieces specified for your company, for your local market. Also, our typical campaign is...
So that concludes this edition of Tech Talk on adhesion tests. I hope you've learned how to do an adhesion test, the multiple places that you need to do an adhesion. 1, 2, 3. Well, good thing I didn't get it right.
Hi. That wasn't a very good hi.
Hello.
Aloha. Give me a cocktail.
What do they say?
going to
What do they
Hawaii.
say? What do they say?
And feel free to take liberty with that.
I mean, it's written well. I don't know how to change it. It's just not good with big words.
Alrighty. So, hi, welcome back. Well, I don't want to say welcome back because y'all didn't go anywhere. Alright.
The BDC's role.
Oh man. Hey Nick, man, get up. Huh? It's already Fast Academy time frame. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Fast, man. Alright. Hey everybody, Glad you could join us for this month's Fast Academy. Pardon us while we get ready real quick. It's been a long 6 months since last time we had you guys here. No, I don't. So let me go ahead and go over what we're about to do this afternoon.
You ready?
Yep.
Smile. Hi, I'm Kate.
Interactive training course.
I can do this. This is nothing.
That's okay. And if every time you have that smile on your face, that makes it look so much more
A
natural.
healing was cut out of my body. If I can survive that, I can do this. It's 2 minutes. Come on, Kristen.
Today I'm going to demonstrate using our silicone and acrylic products. Knowing that this is silicone, I already know one product's going to stick and the other is going to release very easily. Really fairy? I just leave that sentence out.
She's like pretending to talk. It's making me laugh. Okay.
As cool weather sets in around most of the country, we'd like to take this opportunity to introduce the Starboard Elite Cruise of American Motorcycle.
And I'm starting to sweat.
Hi, welcome to this edition of Tech Talk. I'm Eric Long, Technical Services here at American WeatherStar. Today we're going to be going over stretch factor and how to determine a stretch factor if you come across a non-conventional.
Bro, that was awesome. That was freaking awesome.
Okay, let me try over here. Oh no, that's weird.
Hi, I'm Katie Lott, Operations Manager with American WeatherStar.
And I'm Scott Gale. Her
You're gonna sound different with your glasses on.
I wanted to speak briefly with you about our marketing campaign. Did you just burp? Sorry.
Hi, welcome to this edition of Tech Talk. I'm Eric Long.
All right.
Thanks. And we hope you join us for the Starboard Elite Cruise.
will push you in the water.
You can find this document on our website, www.americanweatherstar.com. Thank you for joining in.
Okay, it is recording, so you just.
Okay. Thank you. I have no that thank you part. You cut that off.
Okay.
This is good. This is good outtake stuff right here.